Welcome to TotsBots. We're here to tell you more about the reusable nappy kit, available free as part of the Scottish Government Baby Box scheme. All TotsBots nappies are made right here in Scotland. We started out in 2001 making nappies for our own babies, and we're delighted to be part of this scheme making nappies for your baby now. It'll show parents like you how easy cloth nappies really are. In the kit, you'll find 1 waterproof wrap and 5 stay-dry absorbent pads. These will be enough for 5 nappy changes and will fit until baby is 12 pounds or 3 to 4 months. They are really simple to use. Lay the waterproof wrap out like a disposable. Pop in a pad, place under baby's bum, bring up between the legs and fasten. Now check the fit. Make sure there are no gaps for leaks, but not too tight either. We are often asked, what do you do with the poo? Newborn poo washes out really easily. When it's time to change, remove the soiled pad. Give the waterproof cover a wipe and pop in another pad. For messier nappies, you can always use a paper liner to catch it and throw it away. Wash the nappies at 40 degrees with non-bio powder. No fabric conditioner, they are fluffy enough and this could affect their absorbency. Hang on the line or tumble dry cool and you're ready to go again. Some people assume cloth nappies are a lot of work. They aren't. The unanimous advice from mums and dads who use TotsBots every day is they're so much easier than they thought. The reality is 5 minutes to put on a wash, 5 minutes to hang up, 5 minutes to fold and put away. 3 times a week, the washing machine does all the work. So baby is comfy and ready for the day in a nappy that you can use again and again. No chemical gels, bleaches or perfumes. And as a nice little bonus, it'll save you money too. Thanks for watching. Give us a shout if you need any more information. Happy nappying!